How to change country on Android. First of all, you have to launch your device settings. Under settings, scroll down and head towards the system. Under system, tap on languages and input. Under preferred language, there's an option as region. Here you can select your region for your device. Select your preferred country and the country will be saved as your device region. So in this way, you can change your region or country of your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.